up ball there, the upper box front perfect. 309 lining themselves up for a shot. Fryerbach powering up their shooter. Let's see the big 3-pointer. Up high, offside, not getting a good shot. 3 points for Blue Lions. Red Lions look like they're down to one robot. That's 26-43. Dark Matter. 254 not moving because of the bypass. 34-95 out of front. That's minus round. So it'll be a very tough match for the Red Lions. We've got a bit of remaining penalty flag going up against 33-09 for going into the Red Alliance lane for Red Lions win. 50 seconds remaining on the clock. Ball going too high from the 33-09 robot. 26-43, not sure what they're doing there. Looks like they're having trouble controlling their robot. Unfortunately, that's the last robot for the Red Alliance. We've got 35 seconds remaining on the clock. And that's about there's 30 seconds left. Human players can make those Hail Mary shots. You can see them coming out of the Red Alliance station. That shot missing its target. 33-09 going up on the fringe, but followed behind.